Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wealthy Woman Oracle deck, 44 Oracle cards for Abundance by Taylor Eaton with artwork by Stephanie Wicker-Campbell. This is published by Muse Oracle Press. Thank you so much to Muse Oracle for sending this my way. This retails for $28 in the US, and I will link where you can legitimately purchase it down in the description box below should you want to. They were kind enough to give us a 5% off coupon code if you would like to use that. With that coupon code, I do get a little bit of commission off of that, so just giving you full disclosure there. All right, so massive wealth is at your fingertips with the Wealthy Woman Oracle. Whether you are just beginning your journey to wealth or want to amplify the abundance you already have in your life, this deck is your invitation to connect with the wealthy woman within you. The women in this deck invite you to step into new levels of wealth with ease and joy. Each gorgeous card creates space for you to tap into your intuition and receive guidance from the universe in all matters regarding abundance and prosperity. Unlock the riches of your soul, access an effortless flow of money, and unleash the wealthy woman within. All right, let's get into it. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay. Oh, bottom of the deck. Before we get into the cards, which is so cute, let's just take a peek at the guidebook here. Table of contents, how to use this deck, types of cards in this deck. Then it looks like we've got archetype cards, awareness cards. Cool. And then we have about the author and the artist. The cards in this deck feature different women, each wealthy in their own way. Through these depictions, we can find a new way of viewing wealth as something supportive, expansive, and life-giving, allowing us to tap into the feminine energy of money and abundance. But here's the big secret. All of the wealthy women you see on these cards live within you. They each bring to life individual elements of the wildly wealthy version of you that already exists in your soul. Oh, I love that. This deck can be used however you'd like. I recommend shuffling the deck before each use. If you have a particular question or situation around wealth for which you'd like to receive guidance, hold it in your mind as you shuffle. Otherwise, just keep yourself open to receiving whatever guidance you most need in the moment. Pull a card, multiple cards. Okay, very cool. 2 types of cards, 22 cards of each type. Okay, the archetype cards have the titles at the bottom of the cards and each focus on a single woman. When drawn, these cards are meant to guide you toward embodying specific energies of wealth and amplify it in your life. Awareness cards have the titles at the top of the cards and contain more elements around the women depicted on them to help bring forward the message they carry. When drawn, these cards ask you to become aware of what needs to be shifted, cleared, or activated in order to increase the flow of abundance in your life. Oh, very cool. Okay, and then we have color printing in all of this. Very, very cool. Awesome. All right, let's get into the cards. I really like the back of these. That foil there. And I like the cardstock. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's right in that sweet spot where it's going to be very flexible, but it's snapping back. So I think it's going to shuffle really nice. It's a matte, but it does have that foil on it. I like the size. All right. I'm going to go ahead and read the title below because it might be a little hard to read on the screen. So we have The Alchemist, The Catalyst. It's very pretty. Very gentle feeling. The Artisan. The Storyteller. The Adventurer. The Wealthy Woman. The key holder. The stargazer. It's pretty. The monarch. The seer. The goddess. The student. The leader. The giver. The healer. The orchestrator. The conduit. The pathfinder. The light weaver. The observer. The rogue. The champion. All right, and the awareness cards, we have Metamorphosis, Soul Wealth, Sacred Stillness, Receiving Mode, Rebirth, Prosperous Prayer, Divine Surrender, Radiant Abundance, Breath of Abundance, Wealth Wounds, Bountiful Blessings, Garden of Wealth, Eon of Excess, Cosmic Celebration, Fortress of Protection, Abundant Assembly, Rooted, Seasons of Wealth, Prosperous Overflow, Financial Flow, Mend the Flow, and Abundant Expansion. Very pretty. It's like collage artwork. Very nice. Gentle. Yeah, shuffles really nice. Very flexible. I want to try to shuffle it from this way. Oh yeah, all right. I really like this back. It's simple, but it's so impactful. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Shuffling overhand works really well too. Okay, we're gonna read for the Rogue. Okay, playful abundance and truths revealed. The Rogue is a misunderstood character. She moves in the shadows, playing jokes that often cause havoc and mayhem, but her intent is never to cause harm, only to quickly direct attention to where it's most needed. She knows that sometimes the fastest way to create change is by creating disruption that causes us to switch out of autopilot and reevaluate. Unexpected expenses, sudden losses, and ironic occurrences are all part of the Rogue's way of revealing deeper truths that often go unnoticed. Wherever discontent or lack lurks, you will find the Rogue. She works stealthily as she tosses obstacles your way, hoping to disrupt and redirect you to a more pleasing path of prosperity. The Rogue is relentless in her work and stubbornly sticks around, causing turmoil, sometimes external, sometimes internal, sometimes both, until she gets your attention. She may be asking you to approach a money-making venture more playfully, or perhaps she's trying to help you understand that abundance isn't something to be sought, but something that merely needs to be uncovered within yourself. Look for the greater truth beneath the madness, the lack, or the frustration. By doing this, you'll find the key that unlocks your next level of abundance, and the Rogue will ease up on her antics. I really like that kind of personification of what can happen and why your attention needs to be directed. That's really an interesting take. I really like how this gives you not only maybe a reason why things are happening the way it's happening, but also, a little bit of an action or a way to get around it. I love that not only is this like an archetype, but then we also have the awareness cards. So if you wanted to even separate out the deck to where you have the women and then, or the archetype, and then you have the awareness, you can do a pull from both to see what's going on with your abundance and maybe things that you're not seeing. And then the awareness could be maybe how to go about it, or the awareness of what is going on with said archetype. However you choose to utilize this deck is definitely up to you, but I do think that there are multiple ways of utilizing it, which is really cool. I love that we are using this in a more divine feminine way, because for a lot of time, anything when it comes to finances or money has had a more masculine approach to it, a more divine masculine image, let's say. So this is really cool that it's focusing on the divine feminine, which is more of like a receiving aspect and a more nurturing aspect instead of the direct action approach. I think there's a lot of really cool ways that this could be used. I think this is a good way to kind of get into the abundance mindset. This might be a good deck for you if you are struggling to work on manifestation, or if you wanted to add more insight into your business or your abundance in general. There's a lot of different ways that this could be used, and I really like the different representation we have going on here. I like how soft it is. I just like how unique it is. I don't own a deck or reviewed a deck that is specifically, about wealthy women mindset. So this is really cool. I would love to know what your thoughts are about this. Is this something that you are intrigued about, excited about, something that you would use? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comments section. Thank you so much to Muse Oracle for sending this my way. I am really excited to get to know this more on a personal level, because I think that this could be like pretty eye-opening, at least wrapping my head around like abundance and getting into a better mindset personally, I think this is great. Working with it daily might be even a really good idea. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If this is your cup of tea, don't forget I do have that 5% off code down below in the description box. I will also pin it in the comment section so that way you can see it there. I know the description box gets a little jumbled. So thank you all for hanging out with me again. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.